Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my crunchy chin chin. On the table are the ingredients for this crunchy chin chin. Here I have 500 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to take my vanilla from this bottle. I have my baking powder, half teaspoon, nutmeg, half teaspoon. I have sugar, 3 tablespoons. I have my butter, 2 tablespoons. Then the flour I'm going to work with. I'm going to be using just 1 egg, pinch of salt. I like having that pepperish taste in my chin chin, so I'm going to add teaspoon of white pepper. You can add any pepper you want. Then I have the water I'm going to work with. So firstly, we are going to sieve in our flour to remove any particles, because at times you do have some weevils in the bag of flour or anything that might have gotten into it. So this is 500 grams of flour that I'm sieving in my bowl. Though I've already sieved it before, but I'm just sieving again so that people can see. After this, I'll add all the dry ingredients. This is the milk, nutmeg, sugar, white pepper, salt. I'll stir everything together. I'll now add my butter. This is my vanilla. I'll now break in the egg. Then I'll go wash my hand and use my hand to work. So I'll put everything in here. I now rub in the egg and butter. Rub it in very well. Can see. Can see how it looks like crumbs. It's okay like this, so I'm not going to make it well. Then start adding my water gradually. Don't add too much at once, just be adding gradually. And work with your fingertips. So you can't really see the quantity of what I use because of the way I'm adding it. Like now, I've already used 1 cup of water. I might still add, or it might just be enough. See, it has formed into a dough. So I'll just add some quantity of flour at the base of the bowl. Then leave it to rest for like 10 minutes. I'll cover it to rest for like 10 minutes and I'll come back to start cutting, then fry. This is after 10 minutes. I allowed it to rest. I'll now take it to my surface, sprinkle flour. Just sprinkle flour, then knead it a bit. So I just cut it into 2 so it's not difficult for me to roll out. I'll sprinkle flour on my tray so that it doesn't gum when I'm doing it. Use flour to rub your rolling pin so it doesn't stick. Rub on the table, it doesn't stick. So I'll just roll out. You can use your knife to cut. You can use your pizza cutter to cut. And you can cut into any shape you want to cut. Let it not be too thick. Let it not be too tiny. If it's too thick, it will start soaking oil when you are frying. The thinner we roll, the crunchier it is. You can see the way I've rolled it out. This is just the perfect thickness I've rolled it out to now. So I cut. When we were kids, we always look forward to Christmas because we always cut chin chin. And with my siblings, we'll be doing first to finish. So after cutting this long, you now cut it into smaller bits. If it's getting sticky, you rub your hand on your bowl of flour. You cut like this till you are done. So if you want to double the size or you want to make more chin chin, all you need to do is to double the quantity. Instead of using 500 grams, you can use like 1 kg, then adjust the others. So I'm done rolling and cutting. The oil is on the fire, so I'll just throw in one to know if the oil is hot enough. Okay, I just have to wait for some time. It's not really hot the way I want it. I just have to fry in not too hot heat, mid-low, so it doesn't get burnt in time. So we are frying in medium heat. So the oil is getting hot. I cannot pour in the cut chin. And when you put in the oil, try and stir, so you have to scatter them if they are joined together. You just keep stirring until they are separated. You keep doing this till you are finished with all the cut chin. You can see they are no longer joined, they are all separated now and standing alone. So you'll be watching it. When it's turning golden brown, you bring it out, or you put off your gas. So I'll leave it to fry for some time before I come back to stir again. You can see it's turning to golden brown now. You can't really say for how many minutes you fry chin because it depends on how you cut it and how your heat is. So you can't really say you fry for 5 minutes, you fry for 3 minutes. No, you just keep frying until it starts turning to golden brown. You can see this one now, it's turning to golden brown, but it's not yet there. So just keep stirring it so it doesn't get burnt. So you see it's now golden brown. You bring it out when it's like this, because when it is out it keeps getting dark or more golden. So you just bring it out at this stage. So you keep doing this until you finish all the cut chin. Then it's good to be served. You can see how fine the face is. And that's how crunchy it's going to be. You see, just look at this. See? You can see the outcome of our chin. So beautiful, so crunchy. I wonder if you can hear it. The crunchiness, very crunchy. If you have followed me to this moment, please like, share, and subscribe to encourage your girl. Beautiful. I will see you next time. Bye bye.